Meaning of deactivate.
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 Deactivate. The term deactivate refers to the process of rendering something inactive or non-functional. When something is deactivated, it can no longer perform its intended function until it is reactivated. This can refer to a wide range of things such as systems, accounts, or devices. The result of deactivation is that the affected entity will no longer be able to function normally and will effectively be put on hold until further action is taken to reactivate it. Deactivation is often used as a security measure or as a means of troubleshooting problems with systems or devices.